What's going on, guys? Code Expert here, and we are back with yet another amazing tutorial series. This time we are going to build the TRC20 tokens, as well as we are going to interact with them using Tron TRC20 token management platform that is developed by Code Expert. All right, so just to have an idea of what we are going to do, we are not going to build this type of platform, but instead we are going to build a smart contract of TRC20 tokens. And then, since the Tron doesn't have any GUI options yet to manage your TRC20 tokens, so Code Expert has developed this platform, and we are going to use this platform to actually use our TRC20 tokens. But in the future there might be a way to get the GUI and use the TRC20 tokens from that platform. All right, so just to show you, I have this smart contract deployed from Tron box to Shasta test network, and then I migrated it, and then I compiled it here and then migrated to here. That was the previous one, and now I can copy the TRC20 base 58 key and paste it here, and you can see that it will show up all of my credentials here that are associated with this smart contract, which is our Code Expert token, and the symbol is CDX, and the supply is 1 million. So all of this information is stored on our TRC20 smart contract, and that's why it's showing. If I go here and get my account address here and paste it here, it will also show my balance, which is 1 million. And if I want to transfer it to another one, so I will copy this address and go to this address once again, and then paste it here and transfer 1000 tokens. And once it is transferred, it will show you a notification, and you will know that the tokens are transferred to another account. And all right, so transfer is successful, and you can check your balance here, and you can see that 1000 tokens are reduced, and you can copy this address to actually see that you have 1000 CDX balance in your wallet. You can as well copy this address, and this is the latest version of TronLink that they are released just few minutes ago, and I'm going to paste the address and add token. So this is what I'm doing for the first time. I also haven't used it before, so let's see what it does. And boom, we have our 1000 CDX tokens. And similarly, we can go to this account, which is Code Expert. So we are still in this account. I can go and paste here, and I will have my tokens here. But the thing is that this Tron link will only give you the tokens transfer and get balance functions. But from this platform, you can use transfer from, approve, burn from, all of these advanced functions with this platform. All right, so that's what we are going to do now. We are going to create the TRC20 token and then use this platform to actually know what is going on and create a usability of your smart contract. All right, so I hope you are excited, and I am excited as well. So let's get started. Before that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, because that is how I will be able to create more awesome tutorials like this. And now, before starting, I just want to tell you a few references that you can use. One is, so all of the information that you want can be found on developers.tron.network. About Tron, they have almost everything covered in this documentation. You can see that they have TRC10 and TRC20 section where you can read about all of the functionalities, and they have nice comparison between TRC10, TRC20 and others, as well as all of these things. These are really nice and important to read before you start, so that you know what is the difference between TRC10, TRC20, and why you want TRC20 tokens. So one difference is that you can have your custom smart tokens on your TRC20. You can have custom functionality to your tokens, and for your D app or platform, whatever you want to use, you can add the functions and use it according to your needs. But the TRC10 is basic token, and it doesn't provide much functionality apart from transferring and freezing and basic functions. So yeah, if you're building a D app which is providing a little bit different functionality, then use TRC20. If you just want a token for fun or basic functionality, then go to TRC10. Alright, and we already have a TRC10 tutorial on our channel, so check out that as well. And the next one is you can convert the Ethereum contract into the Tron contract. So this is as well in the same website, but it's in the smart contract section and converting Ethereum contracts subsection. So in this subsection, you can find if you have a Solidity file and if you have a custom built token, TRC20 token, and if you want to build the similar token on the Tron network, then what are the changes that you need to do. Everything is listed here. So if you are one of them who have used Ethereum before but now migrating to Tron, then this one is useful for you. Right, so I'm going to close it, and now let's get started. So we are going to use remix.ethereum.org for our compilation of our Solidity smart contract, and this is a web IDE for Solidity, which is my favorite, because you don't need to install anything and you can just start working on your browser. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on this plus sign and create a new file called CodeExpert, and then hit enter, and then I can have a Solidity version here. Pragma Solidity, and we are going to use 0.4.20 because currently it is used in the Tronbox compilation, and make sure that you have 0.4.24 or similar to that in your compilation version, and make sure that you don't use the nightly version but actually use the commit version, which is this one. And click in here and click on auto compile to compile it automatically, and now we can start developing it here. We can have something like this, contract TRC20, and we have our contract here, template. In this template we are going to build our custom token, and also we can deploy it into Tron network. All right, so let's first define a string called public string, which means you can access it from your outside your contract, called name, which is name of token, then string public symbol, and which is the symbol of our token. For example, here we have the symbol of CDX, and then we can have uint 256, sorry, uint 8, and it is also public, and decimals is equal to 8, and then uint 256 public total supply. All right, and we have everything, and it says unknown exception during compilation, but don't worry, it might be just temporary thing, but it will go away with the time. Sometimes this Solidity compiler gives error without any reason. So alright, and now we have everything, and we can have our constructor here. Constructor, which is public, and we have everything here. Alright, and in the next tutorial we will assign the name, symbol and decimal, and also we will create few functions so that we can have a usability functions on our whatever token that we specify here. So, and in the end we will use this platform to actually use our created TRC20 tokens. So I hope you are excited, and let's meet in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.